I installed this water hydrant here. I got it a little too close to the wall, so I had to modify the handle so it would work properly. But I like really good water pressure. I was filling my pail up in the house, and it took about 4 minutes to fill the thing. So when I put this hydrant in, I decided that I want good pressure. So we're going to put about 4 gallons in here, and I'll count off the seconds. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009. So in 9 seconds, I've got about 4. It's up to about there, 4 gallons of water. I also have a full 1-inch water line feeding this, so I can get good pressure. I have a well, and it's, I think on is at 45 psi, and I think off is about 55 psi. So it's nice being able to get water that fast.